SARS spokesperson Siphithi Sibeko joins us now for an update. Mr. Sibeko, good evening to you. Thank you so much for joining us. She's heard in that clip there speaking to Carte Blanche saying the SARS matter is a personal matter, and I wonder if you'd hold the same view. But how back has SARS been looking into this particular businesswoman? How far back?
Well, Naledi, good evening to you and your viewers. Naturally, I have unfortunately to agree with Ms. Mkhize on the basis that Tax Administration Act prohibits us from discussing the actual tax affairs, the confidential tax affairs between the taxpayer and the Revenue Service. So I'll be constrained. Safe to say that there have been public judgment, as you alluded to some of those that have been made public. Naturally, we can comment on the basis of those. I mean, like as we would on the basis of what transpired today, that as rightfully indicated, the Durban High Court gave us a preservation order as well as a warranty for search and seizure, and that has gone on very well today, and we hope that we will continue the process until the whole matter is wrapped up.
Yeah, and the time frames of that of it being wrapped up, and I'm keen to hear as well, and if you're unable to get into the specifics of her particular case, but I think a lesson certainly for taxpayers is at what point you're starting to pull the hawks into a matter where tax evasion is brought to the fore.
If anything, our action today demonstrates the zealousness, the commitment to ensure that we uproot any culture of non-compliance. And as you would ask, how long is the string? The truth of the matter is that where there's still non-compliance, regardless of who the person is, we would pursue that. So if you want to know how long will this take, it will take as long as we have not satisfied ourselves that everything else has been declared in line with what is expected of any a citizen who is a taxpayer who has legal obligation, until those that have been met and we are satisfied that the status is now in line with a compliant status. Until that is being achieved, we'll do what needs to be done in order to ensure that we every little penny that belongs to the fiscus is being collected.
Yeah, there's something to be said though about how in that interview she again mentions that this is her personal matter, but at the end of the day there is of course the issue of defying the law, right? Where this 37+ million rand could have gone, Mr. Sibeko.
If you, as you rightfully pointed out in the statement, the Commissioner has made it absolutely clear there is no one that is above the law, that we will do all there is with legally at our disposal to ensure that no one is above the law. So that is, to us, it's a line in the sand that would ensure that everyone else acts in consonant with their own legal obligation, regardless of their station in life. So we can assure South Africans that we will ensure that every non-compliant taxpayer is made to bear the burden of non-compliance.
Yeah, we'll be watching this closely. Thank you so much for that quick update there, Mr. Siphithi Sibeko, spokesperson for the South African Revenue Service.